nighttime configuration. So enough coverage. Keep out. If it does rain, it's unlikely to rain, but just in case. It also gives you the illusion of privacy. Mind you, I get that anyway with the oven ready. Even though I know how big 2 meters by 2 meters is, it's 6 foot by 6 foot. It's still, because it doesn't weigh very much, it's very deceptive until you actually get it out and you lie in it and you wrap it up and you are oven ready. And noodles also ready. Nom 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 nom. So, yeah. I mean, yes, I could bring a bowl and have them in, but honestly, it's more efficient doing it this way. And the fire is now well and truly out. Poke it with a stick, just to make sure. Scatter all the dead stuff around so it can dry out for the morning. The sun is going down over the hill. It's not sunset, but because I'm on this side of the hill. Oh, cold breeze, cold breeze, cold breeze. Warm rocks, hot rocks, very hot rocks. See, if it was winter and I was that cold, I'd get those rocks that are hot. I would put them in, say, my t-shirt, wrap them up in the t-shirt, and have those in the hammock with me. Basically a big ass hot water bowl. Hot enough to generate heat, but not hot enough to cause damage.